Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi barakatuhu. Welcome back to maths class. Now remove page number 31 of your textbook. Page number 31 of your textbook. Today we are going to learn about place value. Now place value and face value. Let us look at the place value of numbers. Already we have learned this in your previous class. So suppose this is the number, that is 7386. So once on one's position 8 is there, on tens position 6, on 100 position 3 is there, on 1000 place 7 is there. So what is the place value, on which place they are standing? So from the right side, first number will be ones, second number tens, third number 100, 4000. So when you see here, place value of 8 is 8 because 8 is on ones place. Place value of 6 is 60 because 6 is on tens place. Now what will be the place value of 3? Place value of 3 will be 300 because it's on hundreds place. Now 7 is, place value of 7 will be 7000 because it's on 7000 place. So like this the place value is there. Okay, now the next is the face value. Now what is this face value? The face value of a digit in a number is its own value at whatever place it may be. Now in face value we don't matter, it's not matter where, on which place the number is standing. Here the number is its own value. Okay, so now turn the page, on page number 32 you can see here one number is there, 6136. And what is the place value of the underlined number? So here underlined number is 6. So 6 is on which place? First you write on the numbers ones, 10, 100 and 1000. So 6 is on 1000 place. So place value of 6 will be 6000. Place value of 6 is 6000. And what is the face value? Face value will be 6 only. Face value means the own number. Then the next number is 1352. Here the number which is underlined is 3. So 3 is on which place? Ones, tens, 100. So place value of 3 is 300. And what is the face value? Face value will be 3 only. जो नंबर है वही उसका फेस नंबर होगा. And place value means you have to see on which position the number is standing. Now see the third number, 5123. Here the underlined number is 2. So what is the place value of 2? The place value of 2, ones, tens. So place value of 2 will be tens and the face value same 2. Then here next is 8250. 59. Here underlined number is 9 and 9 is on ones place, so will be 9 only, and the face value will be same as 9. Now let's solve this practice zone 3. Write place value of the digits in their respective boxes. So 8, place value of 8. 8 is on ones place, that is why place value of 8 is 8. 6 on tens place, that's why 60. 4 is on hundred place, therefore 400. 2 is on thousand place, that's why 2000. So like this you have to write the place value. Come on, let's see now. Second one, 3579. So 9 is on ones place, T is on 7 is on tens, 5 is on hundred, and 3 is on thousands place. So place value of 9 will be 9. Place value of 7 will be 70. Place value of 100 is 500. Place value of 3 is 3000. Okay. Now see the C1. Always write their positions: ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Now 1 is ones, 6, 60. 7 is on 700. 4 is on thousand place. Now here 5802. So place value of 2 will be 2. Place value of 0. Place value of 0 is 10 because it's on tens place. Now 8 is on hundred place and 5 is on thousands place. 5802. Now place value of 7 is 7. Place value of 8 is 80. Place value of 1 is 100. Place value of 6 is 6000. Now here place value of 0 will be 0. Place value of 0, it's on tens place, that's why 10. Place value of 5 is 500. Place value of 7 is 700. Okay, this 0 is on tens place, that's why 10. Here also 0 is on tens place, therefore 10. So like this you have to solve these problems. Now on page number 33, 4-digit numbers on the abacus. So you know this is known as abacus. Now previously we have seen abacus of 3-digit, ones, tens and hundred. Now 4-digit, after 100, that is 1000. So in thousands, 4-digit number on abacus, 4 spikes will be there and their beads will be there in it. In each beads maximum you can put 9 beads. Okay, so 4 spikes, ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Now you can see here the number 4298. So as we have seen now only the place value ones on one spike. When ones on this number is 8, so you have to put 8 beads on one spike. Okay, let's count. Let's see. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, here also on ones position the number is 8. Now tens, the second number is tens. Here 9 beads are there. Then on 100 position 2 is there, so on 100 spike 2 is there. Now 1000 is there, on 1000 4 number is there, that's why 4 bead is there, and the number is 4298. Okay, so represent 3850 on the abacus. Also write the place value and the face value of each digit. So you can draw in your rough book like this abacus. You have to draw the beads according to this number 3850 and write the place value and face value of all the numbers as we have written here place value. Okay, place value and then face value. So here only in your notebook you can draw one more boxes, and here you can write place value and another one is face value. Okay, so like this you have to solve it. Now the standard form and the expanded form. Now let's see what's the standard form. Standard form is the form in which numbers are normally written. Let us take the example of number 8432 to understand the standard form and expanded form of the number. So standard form means what? The normal number which you use normally. Now turn the page number 34. You can see here 8432. So the number is written normally, हम जैसे normals लिखते हैं like that. So that is known as standard form. Normal form normally which we write, that is known as standard form. And now we will see what is the expanded form. 8432 can be expanded as. So simply as we have seen the place value, like that only we have to do. Again put the ones, tens, 100 and 1000 on these numbers and just see from the left side. First number is 8 and it's on 1000 place. So simply you have to write 8000. Then plus. Then the next number is 4. 4 is on which place? 100. So simply write 400. Then plus. 3 is on which place? Tens place. So 30. Plus 2 is on ones place. So write 2. Very simply we have done the expanded form. 8000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 2. Expanded form of a number is the sum of the place value of all the digits of the number. This is the same as we have done in the place value, but only the thing is that we have written 2 first, and here we have in place value we have started from right side, and in this expanded form we have started from left side. Okay, now see the practice zone 5. Write the expanded form of the following numbers. So 3254. How you are going to write this? 3 is on 1000 place, so 3000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 4. So solve these 4 problems in your rough book. So hope you have understood. Now remove your observation book. Remove your observation book, page number 13, chapter number 2, fun with numbers, question number 2. Write the place value of the underlined digit. So place value, here underlined number is 1. So 1 is on which place? Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So 1 is on 1000 place. That's why the place value of 1 is 1000. Like this you have to solve all the sums. Question number 2, this is your homework. Now turn the page. On page number 14, question number 3, count the number of beads and write the number shown on the abacus. Here numbers are shown on the abacus and you have to write here. Okay, suppose once on one spike, on this one spike nothing is there, no beads are there, means what? It's 0. Then on 10 spike there is 1 bead, so you have to write on 10's position 1. On 100 spike 3 beads are there, so here 3. On 1000 place 5 beads are there, that's why here 5. So the number becomes 5310. Like this you have to solve all the problems. Now question number 4, show the following numbers on the abacus. Now here abacus is given to you, you have to see the abacus and write the numbers. Here numbers are given, you have to draw according to the numbers on the spikes of the abacus. So you can see here on one's position 4 are there. So on one spike you have to draw 4 beads. On 10th position 0 is there, so you have to leave that spike like that only. On 100 place also 0 is there, so you have to leave 100 spike also like that only. Now on 1000 place 2 is there, on 1000 spike 2 is there, so 2004 means 2004. Like this you have to solve question number 4. Okay, now turn the page. Turn the page. On page number 16, question number 5, expand the following numbers. We have to expand this standard form. So simply you write above the numbers ones, tens, hundred, thousand and start writing from left side. So 1 is on 1000 place, so write 1000, plus 7 is on 100 place, write 700, plus 6 on 10's place, that's why 60, and 1 is for 1's place. Like this you have to complete the expanded form. Okay, so your homework is on page number 13, page number 14, page number 15 and on page number 16 till question number 5. Hope you have understood. Complete your homework correctly. Thank you.